Hey educator, I'm David from Figma, a former elementary and middle school teacher, and a huge fan of helping you make learning more fun. Today, I'm diving into a blog post I wrote featuring 27 amazing FigJam templates designed just for you and your students. But don't worry, I'm not going to go through all 27 because we'd be here all day. Instead, I'll show you 5 awesome templates today that I believe can transform your students' engagement and beyond. Let's go ahead and dive in. You can find all 27 of these FigJam activities in our blog post titled, 27 FigJam activities to spark creativity in the classroom. Just head on over to figma.com/blog. The blog breaks it all down into 5 awesome sections, which are building classroom community, making language and history come alive, visualizing STEM concepts, taking creative brain breaks, and lastly, checking for understanding together. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at one activity from each of these sections to see how these templates can increase engagement and redefine collaboration for your students. First up, from the Building Classroom and Community section, we have the Let Me Introduce Myself template. This is a fun, interactive way for your students to show who they are, spark connections, and set the tone for the collaboration in the classroom. Next up is the Making Language and History Come Alive section. The template I wanted to show here is the book review cards activity. Too often in K-12 education, students write book reviews that only a teacher or a few classmates ever see. With this template, every student gets a window into their peers' ideas, fostering inspiration and deeper connections across the entire class. Now we have the Visualizing STEM Concepts section. We can all agree that abstract ideas come to life when students can manipulate, annotate, and problem solve right alongside one another. A fantastic template to do all of this is the Base 10 math lesson in FigJam. Personally, when I was learning place value, it often felt more confusing than it needed to be. This template flips the script, turning math into a team sport where students take the lead and learning becomes both interactive and engaging. This next series of templates is all about giving students a much needed rest for their mental state and mind. From around the world basketball to battleship, pass the doodle, choice boards, and friendship bracelets, this section is packed with ways to spark creativity and have a little fun in your class. One standout template here is the Croc Charm activity, where students can design and decorate their own shoe charms with stickers and so much more. And last but not least is our Check for Understanding section, featuring templates that go beyond traditional exit tickets. Because with FigJam, you can gauge comprehension, get instant feedback, and let students showcase their learning in creative and engaging ways. A great activity to do all of that is the Self-Reflection template, where students can use star ratings, emojis, and sticky notes to share their thoughts and even learn from their peers' reflections along the way. Thank you so much for exploring these FigJam templates with me. I hope these ideas can inspire you to bring more creativity, collaboration, and connection into your classroom. Check out the full blog at figma.com/blog and start transforming your lessons today. Thanks. Happy jamming.